everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review, swatches, and also a tutorial on this festival look I have going on using this BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. This palette's super affordable, very colorful as well. If you would like to see my thoughts on this palette, please keep on watching. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. So let's just jump right in. So BH Cosmetics recently launched this palette, which is the Weekend Festival palette. You do get 20 eyeshadows and you do get a mix of matte and shimmer shades. This palette does retail for $18 on the BH Cosmetics site, and then you can also pick it up at Ulta online. I'm not sure if it's available in store, but online it is available. So it does come in this like cardboard sleeve here, and then this is the palette. I really liked the packaging on this. I love how vibrant it is. I just love like how vibrant everything is, and the inside's even beautiful as well. So the packaging is cardboard, but you do get a magnetic closure, and then of course, as always, you do get a plastic protector sheet. This does also have a mirror, so you can do your makeup using these mirrors. I don't find myself using the mirrors quite often, but it's nice to have a mirror. And these are the shades that you get in the palette. Such beautiful, vibrant shades. My eyes just went straight to this side. But what I like about this palette is that you get mattes and shimmers, but you get a mix of like neutral shades with color. So it's not super scary palette that it's just colorful shades. You can actually really make this palette be very wearable. Like you can apply this in the crease and this in your outer corners. You do get like this light gold, and then this color looks white, but it's actually like a duochrome a little bit. It's like a pinky purple shade. I do like this palette. The only thing that I find is that the mattes are pretty powdery and there is quite a bit of kickback. So I would recommend you doing your eyes first if you use this palette, and then do your foundation and all that stuff. I did have my face makeup done, but I'm just letting you guys know that I would recommend going with the eyes first. I do also find that dipping your brush in there, like just tap it once or twice, because it goes a really long way. They are super pigmented. You do get a lot of kickback. So again, I recommend being very light-handed with this palette. So I found that this pink shade called Dippy and then this Escape shade have a lot of kickback. Dippy, especially the pink one, is just really powdery when you put your brush in there, so really be careful. Again, if you do not like powdery eyeshadows, you might not want this, but the pigmentation is there a little bit. Again, goes a very long way. The shimmer shades I didn't find any issue with when I applied them. I didn't have any issues when I swatched them. The matte shades, I find that they were very powdery, so just dip your brush really lightly. But the shimmer shades, I didn't really find that there was a lot of kickback or anything like that. So cons about this palette to me is that you get a mix of matte and shimmer shades, you get neutrals, you get color. You can create wearable looks using this palette. And of course you can create those fun, colorful looks as well, just like I did today. Yeah, the only con about this palette is that there is a lot of kickback, so really be careful when dipping your brush in here. Some of my favorite shades in this palette include Hippie, Dippy, Escape. This Wicked shade is really beautiful as well. It's kind of like a purple duochrome shade. Everybody has that shade in their collection, but I just really like this palette that you get, again, mattes and shimmer shades. I don't know, it's really affordable, only $18. So if you're wanting something that you can create like everyday looks and have a pop of color palette, I recommend this palette right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and swatches, and if you would like to see a tutorial on this makeup look that I am wearing, just keep on watching. So I did prime and set my eyelids as well, so we're gonna go, of course, in with the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. And the first shade that I'm going to be taking is this orange shade right here called Hippie. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush with that shadow and just applying it into my crease. A little bit of this product goes a really long way, so I recommend you guys tapping your brush once, maybe twice, and building it up, because it does have some kickback. And next up, I'm going to be taking a mix of Dippy, which is the pink shade, and this shade right here. So I'm going to be mixing my brush with both of those shades and applying it in my crease as well. So I did this step on the other eye, but you could skip this step, but I did go in with this shade right here called Candy, and I just applied it on my lid with a flat shader brush because I thought that's what the look that I wanted to go for. But then I changed my mind and went in with the purple shade on the lid. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did on the other side. Now I'm going to be taking the shade called Swag and just applying that onto the lid on top of that Candy shade. Then I'm going to go back in with my smaller crease brush, again with the pink and this shade over here, and applying it into my crease just to smooth out my lid edges. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this shade right here, which is called Trixie. I wish there was like a, not shimmer, like a pale shade in this palette. This is a shimmer shade, but I figured it'd be okay since everything on my lid is matte. And then I just went in with my fluffy brush and blended out any harsh lines. And there's no additional product on here either. I'm just blending it out. I did apply this peach shade in my inner corners after I had changed my mind. So we can go ahead and do that now. So I did create a wing liner, and for that I just took my eBates Studio Pro waterproof gel liner in the shade Onyx. It's just a black gel liner, and then my angled liner brush, and I'm just going to be creating my wing liner. So for mascara, I'm going to be taking the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, and then for lashes I'm going to be taking these from New Bonsum, I believe, and they're in the style Bella. So this is what they look like. So I will be applying these off of camera, and I will be right back. So the glue is still drying on my eyelash, so we're just going to go ahead and start on the bottom lash. So I did take some blue eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm just taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Chaos. And then I'm going to be taking a really small, precise brush, and I'm just going to go in with the blue shade right here, and I'm going to pack that on really close to my lash line. And then I took this fluffy brush and went in with the shade called Palooza and just kind of smoothed out the edges with this shadow. So now we're going to be applying some glitter, and I just took this iridescent glitter. It's purple and it has like green and big flecks of glitter in it. I think this is for nails, so be careful on that. I picked this up on eBay. It came in like a 4-pack. So I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to be applying that with a pencil brush. So I'm just going to apply some to the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take my pencil brush and just kind of stamp it, and then I'm going to stamp it everywhere where I want the glitter. So I'm going to start with a little bit at a time, and then I'm going to go in with the brush and just tap in there, and then just tap it where I want the glitter to be. And then I went in again with my glitter and applied more down here because I kind of want to do like a V shape kind of, and go in with more glitter and again apply it down here where I applied the glue at. This glitter is beautiful. I actually bought this so I can put it on my nails, but for the face works also. Just be very careful because this is not eye safe. So, and this is what the result you should get. So you can apply as much as you want, go down further, go wider, whatever you want to do. I am pretty happy with what I have going on, so I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes to finish off the lower lash line. And then I felt like I needed a little something more, so I did apply some rhinestones over here. So I do have rhinestones again. These are nail art rhinestones. If you're wondering on the size, these are 3mm. I also got these from eBay. They were like $1. So with my tweezers, I grabbed a rhinestone and then I just dipped it in the glitter glue that I have in the back of my hand. And then I just applied them to my eyes. So where I wanted to start was like where my arc starts and then go down from there. So again, take the rhinestone with the tweezers and kind of just tap onto the glue a little bit. And then just apply them where you want it. There are my 3 rhinestones. This look is pretty much complete. I just need to apply some lippy. I think I'm just going to take this, which is right here. This is the Bite Beauty Musk Lipstick. This is like my go-to shade I always wear. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review, swatches, and also festival tutorial on this look that I am wearing. If you plan on going to Coachella, let me know down below. Let me know if you decide to recreate this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!